na-ekwu mmadụ n'ọmụma onye mee nke ọma ebulie ya elu tie jide ka oji na-aga n'ihu biko ka ndị gbakọ kịta wee kere nye taa kịta adịghị adị Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma nọrọ ide ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwamgbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye nwarije mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye nwarije mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ga-adị maka na eziokwu ọma chacha ndị okenye dị anyị front and back ndị ọcha dị anyị front and back fọdụ asị kara aka ụfọdụ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wee chọọchị fa obodo ụka bịakwa mana Ugochi tubelu ekpere ekpe anyị si n'ọma mbe ọdịnala ọma mmụchacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite
ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo ekele m ụnụ a sị m na chi tata bụ eke ga-eketara anyị ihe ọma ma kepụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ a sị m na akakaka anya ma anyị na jijiji anya ma anyị a sị m onye chere anyị ihe ọjọọ ya nwee ọdachi a sị m onye si na anyị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma mana onye si na ya ama adị mma a sị m na onye a ama adịnata mma dị n'ụwa gwụ a sị m ihe ọma dị n'elu ya gara anyị na ọdịnala ya kwuodo anyị ome a sị m na anyị ga-adị ka echi maka na echi adịghị agwụ agwụ maka na adịghị ka ibe na-agwa agwa Chukwu okike na mmụọ niile na-agagharị na-eme mma n'ụbọchị taa gọzie ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo ebe a bụ na ebe onye nọ all over the globe ndị niile nọ under the influence of our voice let them be blessed ka ụbọchị taa bụ eke ka ifeọma mealụfa ise n'ụbọchị tata anyị kwadoro anyị ji life changing topic wee bịa mana bifo anyị gaba n'iru maka ndị agbara onye mbụ ndị bụ taa izi ha na-afụ m na soshal midia afọ m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite afọ ọzọ m nke echiri m ọzọ Eze-Ana abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple nke dị na oraifite na Anambra steeti anyị na-agba afa mmiri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist I will answer my mission is to help people live better life n'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji bịa bụ ajụjụ ka ọ bụ do you know that the mariners ndị mmiri are not responsible for all the challenges you are facing, or marital challenges, or relationship failures. Do you know? Gee maka esimolu. I'm here today to open your eyes. It is a pity that in every challenges, people will attribute it to the mmiri. Emenenu asị ndị mmiri, emena asị ndị mmiri. Ndị mmiri are benevolent spirits. They are not wicked the way you people are seeing them. Ha bụ ndị obiọma, ndị na-eme mmadụ odogwu, ndị na-eme mmadụ ejiama, ndị na-ebuli mmadụ elu. You must learn something that will actually change your life and restore your happiness in your various homes if you can only pay attention today. Yesterday, when I got the message, I went straight to my diary. I wrote it down. Now, before I go, you HF na I took one February ga-ebido February 6th. And you got February 19th. 2 weeks, 14 days. Aja mbunyero na aja nsoro ọka anyị na-achụ n'isi ndị niile sonyere anyị. Ya na isi ndị niile wụ friends of the temple. Ụbọchị ọbụla a na-ebidie, anyị na-eje na temple chụọ aja dị iche iche, gọkwazi ọfọ dị iche iche n'isi ndị niile sonyere anyị, ya na n'isi ndị friends of the temple. Anyị mesịa ya, ụbọchị ndị ọzọ niile anyị jee na temple na-agba ọfọ na-achụ aja nsoro ọkụ n'isi ha dum. Ụbọchị anyị achịkọtakwu ya, ndị niile sonyere na ya bụ aja, a ga-esetịkwara ihe onyonyo maka na anyị ga-achụ aja ihe mmeri dị iche iche, chụkwazi aja ebu wee mesara aka. Ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, ya invited ịnọkwa n'ụbọchị asụruo ma nwee ya bụ aṅụrị, a ga-erikwazie ma nwụọ. Mana ọ bụrụ na gị nwa n'onwe gị adọrọgodo nso, ị nwekwara ike isonyere anyị. Yes, distance abụrụ ịbarị a n'ọrụ mmụọ maọbụ na aja anyị na-achụ. Ndị na-esonye bụ na ya amarụ ka esi eme, mana maka gị nwa bụ onye ọfụ, ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịfọwọdụrụ anyị ya 3 prayer request, make donation token to the account number. Atije m na WhatsApp, nye gị the account number. Then gbazie gị details I need from you ka enwe ike bụkwa na ya bacha. Booking ya agabago n'iru already. Now, ka anyị gabazie n'iru n'ihe anyị maka ya bịa. Echefuna ụbọchị Monday and Thursdays na abụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling. Ụbọchị anyị ji enwe liberation ordinary liberation day. Ụbọchị anyị ji enwe administration use na method iji ekwubi okwu ya na ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling n'isi ndị niile bịara anya mụta mbụ. Ọkara ya ụbọchị nwa Ogbuefi Eze-Ana na temple chụọ aja gụọ ụfọdụ isi ndị friends anyị and fans and friends of the temple all over the globe na ndị niile anyị na-arụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Then ka abụọ ọkwa ka ọzọzi nji maka ya bịara ụbọchị tata bụ ịkọwalụ gị isiokwu anyị ji bịara ụbọchị taa. Isiokwu anyị ji bịara ụbọchị tata bụ ajụjụ ka njụ. Do you know na ndị mmiri are not responsible for all the challenges you are facing in life? Do you know na ndị mmiri abụrụ ha nwere responsible for your marital challenges in your marriage and your failures in relationship or even crashing of your marriage? Do you know? Some of these challenges are caused by ignorance. Some of these challenges are caused because you did not do what is expected of you. Let me start from him or that. Read with me. Hosea 4:6. My people are suffering because of lack of knowledge and ignorance. and lack of vision. So you can see why you are suffering. Yes, you are suffering because of your lack of vision and knowledge. I'm here today to teach you. Yes. Some people are having challenges in life. Mahihi, na ha how to turn things around in their life. When was the last time you established spiritual exercise to uplift their spiritual being? Some people are busy fastening their body, tormenting their body, their earthly cloth, the body. Upon he needed. Yes, upon one of the so important things. Some people have jeopardized their health because they are tormenting the flesh. Yes, they are tormenting the flesh. Therefore causing ulcer and malnutrition to themselves. Stand over there too. When Buton Hoya, but another challenge on his own. Yes. Man, what do you need in order to lift your mind, your spirit? When we get about the spiritual level. Because once you are spiritual uplifted, some of these challenges on in life will be discarded. Yes, you will surmount them because of your spiritual willpower. What you need to do is to train your mind. Once you train your mind, what you need to do is to fasten your mind. Yes. If you are doing fasting, but in your mind you are still harboring grudges, you are still harboring hatred, you are still doing one sort of evil or the other, you are deceiving yourself. Because fastening your body will not lift you your spirit up. What you need to do is fasten your mind by training the mind. Once you train your mind will be properly guided. And once you train your mind, you are restricting your mind from wandering, thereby wasting spiritual energy unnecessarily. Some people don't understand how to develop their spiritual mind. You must develop your spiritual mind because the spiritual control the physical. Do you know that although that you develop your spiritual mind, some of these entanglements, some of these things that is bringing problems to you will cease. So train your mind. Example, if you're a carnal man, you can always be thinking about negative things. Have time for unnecessary pleasure. Maybe if you're a man jumping from one woman to the other, if you're a woman jumping from one man to the other. You know why? Why is so? Why is it so? It is so because you did not train your mind. Whatever that comes to your mind, you follow. Your mind keep wandering. Therefore, you are not a properly harmonized person. That is your problem. First of all, I have already told you to build your time for your spiritual exercise. You must go spiritual. If you must dominate in this God's material, you must go spiritual. Spiritual abro somewhere ijeluna menka about that God. It goes you offer, but they did not back it up with what is necessary. It can be because you have to train your mind. You must train your mind so that your mind, if you train your mind, your spiritual power, your mind will cease to wander unnecessarily. and therefore leading you to commit more sin. You know, some people are committing sin today because none of those sin just happen just like that. You must talk about them, nurse them, take your time to plan it, how you can commit one crime or one evil or the other. You know, but all you train your mind so that your mind will always long for something that is pure. If una some of those things that is attracting negativity, you will supersede them. A lot of people are there from going in masturbation, lesbianism, the homo, and rest of them. All these impure acts attracts acalogry, attracts oral. It attracts those things. It's all in make. All one here we are committing lesbianism by committing such impure acts against nature. Then you will be attracted. You are attracting the acalogry and the oral to yourself. And when you attract those impure spirits around you, they will begin to torment you. But you can live above those things, those lifestyle, because they're negative in nature. So, and when you, by your lifestyle, you attract those negative energies, they will keep tormenting you. Just know that. And once they keep tormenting you, you will begin to blame them. Because you never know and understand how to own up and accept responsibility. So know it today that your lifestyle, you are there committing murder, you are there committing abortion, you are there committing all manners of harm. And when those things you sow begin to come back to you, flowing back to you, the originator, you will keep saying, yes, man is the architect of his own problem. So begin today to work from your inner self. One. Two, they are not responsible for your collapsed marriage and marital issues. I can tell you 70% of collapsed marriages today are caused by women. I'm sorry to say it. Yes, 30% by men, but 70% is solely women's issue. You know why? A woman is supposed to be a mother of the home. A woman is supposed to be the bridge builder. Because before any woman's spirit will come here on earth, it must pass through a mother, a woman. Oh, that's why you said the important word that Eze-Ana, the mother earth, is responsible for what is happening on earth here. Whether we eat what we put, we germinate and bear fruit, Eze-Ana is responsible for the blessings to flow to we mankind living beings on earth. Eze-Ana is responsible. So as a mother, are you a mirror of your home? Are you a blessing to your home? Are you a blessing to your entire family, from your husband to your children? You're supposed to be a blessing. So, but what are you in your homes? You, a woman, should learn how to take responsibilities. Your marriage crashed today because of your ignorance or carelessness. And you turn around and say, they are crashing my marriage, they are crashing my marriage, I have cried. Your marriage will keep crashing because you do not do what is expected of you. Yes, I agree. There was some people say as a result of not doing what is supposed to do with their note. I agree. But I want to address some certain issues that is happening in homes today. And those issues are the core responsible for those marital issues in various homes today. Now, instead of people that is involved to pay attention and look inwardly where their problem is, they will keep apportioning blame to them. as spiritual spouse. But it's not so. Let me tell you what happens. You are a married woman. When you and your husband is seen dirty, you pay more attention to him. But now the man is married to you. How do you normally pay attention to him now? Even he who pays the pipe and he takes the tube. Your husband remains the head. Yes. Your partner remains the head. The same thing with single ladies. They will tell you that a relationship collapse. Sometimes you are responsible for what is happening. First of all, don't go for somebody you don't love. It must be somebody you can trust. You must go to somebody you have you like. One, you must like the person. Two, you must go for somebody you like character-wise. Both of you are compatible. This is what you must consider before going into a serious relationship or marriage. But let me ask you questions. I can tell you sometimes, out of your carelessness, you allow your marriage, you want your marriage to collapse. And tomorrow you blame me in the middle. I know what I'm saying. I normally have counseling class on Mondays and Thursdays. And I know some people will come, Ogbuefi this, and sometimes after I find that no brother me, but they're responsible. They're responsible for you and again. But here the responsible. You don't know what you have until you lose it. Do you know your partner is comfortable? You take care of your family, take care of you, take care of your kids, your children. But how do you pay attention to this here, man? Women, let me tell you. Do you know that men need care? Do you know? Do you know that men need caring? Sometimes, some of you will lose your marriage because of carelessness. And tomorrow you will be blaming side chicks that had a job. Or what was the job when they came? Yes. That vacuum you created in your home is what another woman is feeling. And that is why their husband is dancing to her too. To your mind, let's job today. Let me give you an example. Married women will keep on waiting. The man is the one paying all the bills. Maybe some of you will say, I'm doing with the, how much are you paying? Your own bill, your own money is just to take care of those minor things and the new process. But the man is the one shouldering his own family responsibility. He's shouldering your own family responsibility. He's shouldering your own problem. He's shouldering the house problem and the children. Do you know that you need to be clapping for this young man? He's a hero. It's not easy to be a man. Do you know Uche? And he take his own responsibility, will never be a happy man. A real man, take care of his family, is always sad. Every man dreams to be a real man that will be able to pay the bills in his home. So whenever a man is not capable financially to take care of his home, financial expenses, believe me, that man will never be a happy man. That man, that man on the tear. Every man feels happy when he's man enough financially to take care of it, his responsibility. So if you woke up now, I'm financially okay, da they poor, they broke, marry ever. In my future, we go up on my lap, on the chair, man. In my way, man, you are expected to take care of their responsibility, family needs, their in-laws, and their own home, and their family, kids and children. Other easy. So if you may appreciate, when was the last time it will be Alpha? See, I didn't, as you go, okay. Working at one more. 2 years where they didn't believe in him. When was the last time you heard your husband? Sometimes we working in the sometimes when you're sleeping, the man is awake. Maybe he might pretend that he's sleeping, but actually he's lost in thought. Or when you go in a place of work here, on that chair, I am Uguno, this is January, Uguno is already due to renew. Oh wow, oh my God. Problem from in-laws, problem from here. My man, age. Ụfọdụ ndị nwere ike emekọta at stage ọnwụ na ha enwere ike control ya ha enwe BP. Have you asked yourself why men normally die so early? The number of men that have passed on is greater than far greater than a number than women. You know, have you asked yourself why? Ụmụ nwoke na-eri n'ude. Mgbe nwoke ọbụla take care responsible of feeding his family, that man can never be a happy man. Some of them at a stage, funny man, they will take control of her. They don't want my service again. But overall, that will be solution because it was going to my phone. Responsibility is still there waiting for you. But I'm more for the one year when you don't have no one when you take control of the husband at that given time. And my check what need to praise this man, man not easy. Or where probably gets well support. But I can check why they want to make dignity comfortable, taking care of you. What do? You keep demanding unnecessary things. In a bone stretch, in a Brazilian hair, in a choker. Have you asked yourself to look at this man over time to cool off? Or but he get without. When was the last time they say, I love you so much? When was the last time your husband did avatar a makoya before those you want a makoya of my smell nice? Wait here. When was the last time you massaged this man? When was the last time? Or they want your responsibility. When was the last time we needed this man real caring? Anyone na nwoke abata n'ikwesịrị ide emeti ọfụma. Ịma ọ na ị nwere ike kwesịrị ide akpọrọ nwoke a kpata inye ya browse nye ya ọfụma nye ya the best. Yes. Any delay body of man. You know why? Some women move for on a create vacuum. I'm going to work away in saying that for the past 1 month. For the past 2 weeks. For the past 1 week. Madam does not care. Who does that? Who does that? And expect the man to be happy. Don't you know that love making, caring, bond, keep bonding intact. Not just that anyhow own. I'm not talking about those anyhow own. Oh no, yes. Although that's anyhow own, okay. When I say near go, why is it near go? You go down Parika or go stretch. Or so they can go. You face your body. Look at on a young pico. On a young pico. I see your vacation. Oh, they are disturbing my sleep. come and do this thing, let me sleep. Nke a na-akpọ nke a emesigo nke a ga-akpọ ịghọtara ya mmekasị ka a na-akpọ ụdị ya mmeri ya ọ bụrụ na ime nke mmekasị a ịfụ na you are killing the form ime nke mmekasị kedu mgbe ị nyere nri treatment mgbe ụfọdụ onye ahụ na-alụ di na nwunye ụfọdụ ndị mụtadoro ụfọdụ ndị amụtadoro mana ịfụ na mgbe ahụ ha ka na-edeti isutara maka na nwaanyị na-ebatazie anụtazie ya mgbe ahụ ga-eme ihe dị n'isi ya ọ na-emezi na ya adịghị agbasi ka ya data ego after all ya adago ọzọzigo MRS this adịgo n'afọ ọ ihe dị ya mkpa ihe dị ya mkpa abụrụ the happiness of this man ihe ị kwesịrị ime this man sacrifice ihe niile time ya strength ya energy ya and what he has upstairs to provide good things for the family. Then mgbe the man batara, did you approach him, treat him like your king, give him the best ever? Always give him the best. Always approach him, romance him, and give him the best. Don't expect him to come and pet you. He who pays the piper dictates the tune. Sometimes people will be blaming side chick. Side chick is not responsible for your problem. Yes, here side chick is doing is side chick is somebody that is taking advantage of the vacuum you created. Yes, side chick understand that some married men are dying silent. So when such a man cried to her, she already understand what he is passing through. That the man needs caring. And when you give caring and the best for the man, we men, we are not fools. We know when we are doing it just to fulfill all righteousness. And we know when you are doing it as if your life depends on it. Do you think men are fools? Is it what you think? Men are intelligent people, if you don't know. So what you need to do, and then those side chicks you are talking about, when they see you, they are willing to give you all manner of treatment, the best you can have it. They know how to romance you. They know where to touch you at every given time. They will try to give you the best. And they know how to touch you so that if you're a man, that if you're with a woman, you go once, maximum 2 hours, you're already tired. But go to side chick. Side chick will make sure that you go far beyond that. If you don't even want to decide to be a two or three. If you don't even two with your wife, you decide to be a 3 or 4. You know why? Technical know-how. Because they believe that if they do you well and they are satisfied, you are going to become her ATM machine. Because if you are satisfied, you give her more money and pay her house rent. But your wife, or they are 48 women. So you know the man can miss you. And he can miss you while the man is dying. And when the man is not happy, not feel satisfied with your services, the man will begin to cut down the amount of money he normally give you as your upkeep. Do you get? Yes. So what you must do is, first of all, you must always have, if you are married woman, whenever you are with your husband, have it in mind, see it as if you are competing with some other beautiful ladies out there. Having this in mind will help you to give your best. Some of you carry holier than thou attitude to your matrimonial bed. It actually You don't even know how to speak in tongue. Yes. You don't even know how to give ringing tone that will energize and give the man the best. All honey pot that is here. What is important is the usage. And I tell people that what is important is not knowledge. What is important is not that you have honey pot. But what is important is application. How do you make use of your honey pot with your husband and partner? How? If I just never just get the message, yeah, I ordered that one day, Mexico. What you Mexico and what it will. Okay, man, only my hair, I want to be told is you will treat even image of letter 1, 2, letter 3, or treatment. All honey pot at the same. You know, yes. So, come over, I can need the best. Make sure that I follow my one way. Where your brain that this year husband is the best man ever. So that your brain will supply information to your body chemistry that this is your king here. One take you a body and you are the best. Man, I want to it actually. Well, this year only way attitude to your matrimonial bed. If you worry about this man, one day another sister out there, a barrier and nobody am before you want to be again. Organic is not biasing our wall, the more you go up the so then the whenever if you are with your husband, but you are not treating him as if you are competing. This attitude of the other about the that they go must stop. All this your attitude may lead you lose your husband. Even on all that, everyone you must have open. Muka masa waka, imano. Okay, she knows her. It was a woku. One muka masa waka. Mamma, there was a woku. Over the home, even the way you were. Imeya, Yematia, Magi, you were the weird. Believe Luna, negotiate for Nana. Makawoke, believe Luna, more when he paid to like a baby. He like, we love petting. But when you walk in town, feel on a lot of care. You know that? More care after sex and petting as love. So give it to us, yes. Yes, I'm presenting the men now, yes. Give it to us on our day now. The best. I'm going to management, the best you can ever. In fact, sometimes you know, I want to work with I have, but I have not taken the best way. Here, the body am in common. Keep we go down, keep you caring. You might not work your own. Yes. So, when I'm able to do see, your marriage is in shambles. It's not a different in the the same thing with your relationship. You know exactly that thing you normally complain about. You must avoid it. To make sure that no complain. And each other, go by your bico. Yes, as you know, you be looking so yes, the man is the breadwinner. All you about the tea. Yes, only we give the he who paid the pipe and the tune. All you are worried about the praying master. So all you are edited the day is mega. So it's a matter of man, it's a little matter of man. Go with you and make it where the time come. So if only here we have problem. And need to the logic more than ever. Only have magic words. They will welcome plan. If you know be a man, go and kneel down before him and say, my husband, I'm sorry, you are my king. I couldn't see my job. Or I say name and carry him and say, my husband, I'm so sorry. I'm not only a mayor. I'm so sorry to not happen again. If you apologize sincerely with your heart, we know. anyị ma mgbe ị na-aga ahụ mmadụ mgbe ị na-apology sincerely speaking. Try these things na-agwa gị na ka ịfụ na some of the problem ị na-enwe na ya marriage. Name them, kere ihe ndị ahụ marriage problem ị na-enwe na marriage. Ịbụrụ onye na-ekwu chọọ agwa ndị gosi na ya na-ebido n'ime nke a n'ime nke a. My king, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm not knowing the way. I'm so sorry. Oh, ba. This and that. What is this? My king, I'm so sorry. It's like he claimed warrant. 2 captains are there on the football. Email each other. Emmanuel didn't hear one like me. Emmanuel didn't hear one like me. Or by the easy. I want to change anything to. You see, why you're off more. Now, what's going to that? You know, to one to go percent. One to a percent. From what I said, they are not acting CI or ballet. Manobo, okay, Baba Casimon, I get that okay, OVC, all what you use. And when marriage crash, the woman suffer the most. You know why? Yes, in reason for that, women depreciate fast. Yes, they depreciate fast. Because imagine I ain't going to give more money. Where compare on the cap approve. So, and the owner, you have a problem. That's your marriage crash. You get by labor market. For no easy. The man, I go. By that, if you saw that, I go. If I come on 5,000, money get your condition. If I now yeah, better go and tell 5,000. You will talk that. I can hear you. You put that. You have to do that. There, and what you want them to do, crash your marriage. Buy a by the labor market. That's services. If you refuse to be here, then a baby, if you say, wow, it was just part. And why are you by fire by force? But I'm all too late. Who said he wanted the media allegation? Yes, I buy a family member and came in the media. Madam Kevin, meaning they walk on yourself. Yes, no one. Work on yourself. Learn how to treat your husband and your partner as your king. What all had you out there? If I had you wanna how take advantage of those virtues you created by not taking good care of that man, they will give it to the man front and back or job. Speak in tongue, join your body and your food. It is the man that's not to have. One honey what say to Caribbean. He never go to Caribbean will technically know how. Only one the anti Mexico. Ogbuefi because she won't come. When they make a sharp and the year no day that. Well, it's where beautiful lady told back here. It's Ethiopia, overall. But what you don't know is only a mystery to you and not a God. Nature video. To Sari and Dodo. I wasn't able to do Yafa. Didn't really even do your man. Didn't really even do your man. When didn't really when he came by the film, and I buy family, my man didn't really by the film. When he called on the one call. My over my head in an on your one, I send him with your I send him with your follow what to follow one or talk. When was the last time you kneel down before your partner or your husband and said, my king, I'm so sorry? Instead, they are there claiming rights. Claim what right, claim what right. The follow my very humble to a call. You also have to know when they were okay. Whether that's humble to a call. You are on a dick about it, really look there. We are at a job. But I'm maybe they claim the right. Claim one car. I can tell you, there will other people out there that will feel the vacuum if you ever decide to leave. How was ever? All the airports that didn't mean, yeah, my never knows okay. My own was knows out to Bachili. Meldo with Indian door to the door, you what than do to me, and the spiritual associates. Upon a common as in the 90% of ndị mmadụ bịa n'ụlọ ọrụ ha sị gị 70% ya sị gị na ọ dị mmiri. Onye gwara ndị mmiri ndị obiọma, ndị na-eme mmadụ udo, ndị na-ebuli mmadụ elu, na ndị na-agọzi agọzi, ihe ọbụla asị ndị mmiri, ihe ọbụla asị ndị mmiri. You must put a stop to it. Gbaa family mara ihe na-eme n'ụzọ. And then na anya na ndụ gị ma anyị na-ebikwa ọfụma. A na-akọmplen everyday, a na-akọmplen ịgba nkịtị. Ịma ọrụ otu ụbọchị ma onye na-akọmplen accumulation of anger. Oh my God, you lose that man here. Or say enough is enough. Do I do all that money? Lawyer, about a side chick is sweeter than marriage. Yes. Reason for that, a side chick will give you honey pot. You never get left and right. You never get one money in common. Makego. But why I am or to name a father, I was in Makina. You are the male who knows you. And the minute they teacher will come up, the man is taking notes. And by that, all four do not project to I see a number one lawful. By that, if I over there being an asshole. Macaranta person they provided. They fill the gap which you created for yourself and in the marriage and the relationship. In the relationship, we have to study and do. Let's help ourselves and save our relationships and marriage. In the relationship, we want to do what they chop. More nature about our family. Send the other message in our WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. I had to work again, bring me here in the difference of the temple all over the world. Do you know that the difference of my voice? Kahara Bundiri in the name of Water, never had a business, there's no. But one day they walk around and their relationship, may they receive this message in good faith. May the power of the Most High for this message heal all the broken marriages and relationships. Now, to go to the when you can listen again. During their marriage crashing and their relationship crashing, may they receive blessings. May their marriages and relationships be healed. And may they receive blessing and draw inspiration from this to this lecture. Now I have to go again. When you can listen back here. Yeah, guys, yeah. Okay, I think what they're no guy, I want case you by 9 o'clock. Yeah, guys, yeah. No 4.